Hi, good morning. It's Paul here at the Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Today is June 28th, 2019. So let's see what's happening in the market here. The Greater Las Vegas real estate market. Okay, we have lowest price of the manufactured home, 960 square feet for $100,000. Little strip view in the street there. Huh. Pretty clean for a little manufactured home. Let's see what kind of a lot it is. 6098. How about that? Okay. And that is like meat and racetrack kind of, okay. Alright, so we'll go there and then we go to this one, which is Mission Creek, $900,000 single family, 3450 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3-car garage, pool and spa. Nicely done. Okay. Nice house. Looks like it's brand new, is it? Nope. 2012 or 2002. Didn't see the. Oh, I did see the pool. Mission Creek. Desert Inn and Red Rock, live over in the west side. Okay. All right. So then yesterday we had Condo, 1,000 square feet, 1984 built. Oh, nice. What's going on here? Okay, there we go. Fairly clean. Old, dated, that needs to be not too bad. For how much? 90,000. Las Vegas Boulevard and Pecos. Sunrise Manor. Okay. Let's go to the next one here and see what's going on. Okay, 2.6 million, 7,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 7 baths. Wow. 4-car garage, pool, spa, built in 97. 2.6 million. Nice backyard. Nice curb appeal. Quite a house. Nice pictures. Mean snow, Hell Point. Okay, over in the west, Summerlin area. Okay, that's that. Let's go into under contract. We got 691 under contract with closed yesterday. You have this townhome, 109,000, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, built 748 square feet, built in 74, closed for 109. Okay. Happy people bought this place. Good for them. Okay. Then, wow, a few closings yesterday. 50, 75, 100, 125, 134 closings reported yesterday. Brand new one. Single family, 5869 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 6 baths, 6 car garage, no pool or spa for 1.13. Oh, nice. The garage is here, garage is there. Very nice. Large lot. Big lot. This sucker. What size is it? Almost 6/10 of an acre. Wow, Buffalo and Ford, okay. 2-story home, touchstone living. So we are looking at Wigwam and Buffalo. Okay. And then we have on the 26th, Condo, 724 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, built 93 for 98 grand. Kind of messy, but that's the way it goes. It's sold, that's all that counts. College and Horizon. Okay, right over here in Henderson. Alright, let's go to 26. 26. Last 2 days, 175. 200. 225. 250. 275. 1.5 million, 5,000 square feet, $300 a square foot, built in 18. Like Las Vegas or somewhere over there. Nice house. Yep, like Las Vegas. Huh, interesting. Right there. I sold that house right there. How much did they pay for this? $1.5 million. That's about what I paid for the other one too, after it was all done. Nice properties. Shoreline of Lake Las Vegas. Okay. Well, that's that. Last 3 days, single family homes with a pool. It's getting up there. We're at 97 last 3 days. $2,400 square feet, 10,000 square foot lot, $179 a square. 2,400 square feet, 9,000 square foot lot, $183 a square. Okay. Well, I think that's it for today, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a wonderful weekend. This is Friday. Bye-bye.